Welcome to Divine Art of Food. In this video, we are going to see the recipe of spicy potato wedges, which is very easy to make. Let's get started. For that, I have taken about 5 medium-sized potatoes. So cut from the middle and cut them into the wedge shapes. All the pieces which you are cutting must be in uniform shape so that it cooks uniformly. So this must be the thickness of the potato wedges. Now for the marinade, I am taking 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any type of oil. Into that, I am going to add about 3 garlic pods which I have cut into fine pieces. Into that, add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and some salt according to your taste. And then you can add 1 teaspoon of oregano. This will give you a nice flavor. If you're not having, you could skip this step. And then add Italian seasoning of another 1 teaspoon. Now give this all a nice mix and our marinade for the potato wedges is ready. Now add the cut potato wedges slowly into the marinade and give them a nice mix slowly. So this I will be cooking in a normal stove and oven. So in a pan I am going to add all the potato wedges slowly and cook this from both the sides for 10 minutes by closing it. Since we have not boiled it, you must close and cook it. Now for the oven one, I am going to place all my wedges over my tray and going to bake it at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So after that, the both which we have cooked in oven as well as in our stove, both will be ready. Our spicy yummy potato wedges are absolutely ready. The both method which I followed by cooking in oven as well as in stove, both will give you the same result. So baking will be somewhat easy, so that is what I prefer to bake. The garlic which we have added in small pieces will give you a nice bites and nice aroma into your potato wedges. So give this yummy, spicy and crispy potato wedges recipe a try and enjoy this during evening with a cup of tea, which will be very tasty with that. So I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, bye from Divine Art of Food.